Nice to see you all. Nagiging ba kayo? Yes! Ito lang na, church.
Ano kayo?
Sa bakla, masakali ka lahat ng yes! Nakaka-happy naman yun. Parang hindi ko nakakapaniwala. Yes, Beaver? Yes! Hi guys, hindi mo na kayo na. Oh, tabi tayo po. Jack, game. Balik mo sa lahat. It's that time of the month. Kaya pagpasensya niyo kapag mukha akong, parang masakit yung ulo ko. But, I'm so, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Dito ko lang si, dali. Kaya, gusto ko muna kayo nakakausap. Tsaka na kayo mag-game. Excited akong kausapin kayo. Hi guys! Syempre, I want to say hi before anything else. Bago kayo mag-game, I want to say so many things. First of all, nakakagulat that you're all here. Lahat ng mga group, kompleto. I didn't think, when I got back 5 years ago, grabe 5 years, parang kahapon lang yun. I didn't know kung paano ba yung sa mga fans. Talagang dati nagtatanong ako, how was I going to, kung paano ba, sabi ko kasi, syempre, nung lumalaki ako all this time, it was laging yung mommy ko yung may fans day, tapos pinapagulang ako sa tabi, bawal akong lumabas. And it's so nice na makita, kaya ako rin hiningi na mag-party or magkita tayo for New Year's because never ko pa hiningi ito talaga. Na-realize ko na lagi kayo nagka-Christmas party. Yung iba, like yung Cookie Birds, nangyaring nakita ko si Red na ang sexy ng body kasi, sino ba yun? Si Jackie ba yun? Hindi ba kayong lahat yun? Wala pa yung mga ulo ninyo. Naliligo sila and nakita ko sila sa banyo naliligo. Tungtuhan talaga ako para na kaming magkabarkada. And talaga, di ba nasa hotel po kayo nun?
Okay, so na yung maalala pwede.
Nakatapos pa kayo, no? So anyway, so sabi ko, parang hindi ba ako humihingi ng Christmas party or anything. And I wanted talaga to see all of you na gusto ko treat ko. Tapos sabi nila, hindi, gusto nila sila. Sabi ko, hindi, treat ko to. Hindi gusto nila sila. So sabi ko, sa birthday ko, ako na lang magti-treat. Kaya part 2. Magkasama kayong lahat. Disneyland? Kung tayo lahat, yaman mo na. Hindi na naman ako kayaman ngayon. ABS muna. Dali lang ha. Pakiusapan natin si Tita Charo. Hindi. So sabi ko parang, wow, magkasama silang lahat. So lalo kong na-excite na magpa-party lalo na 5 year. Well, nag-start ako 16. So, parang natapos ko yung 10 years ko na hindi ako nag-celebrate yung 10 years. Kasi hindi ko rin naman iniisip na 10 years na since I was doing my commercial. So, I want na sana magkasama ulit tayo in April for... Tapos tayo lahat. Hindi, pero... Ano ko ba? Hindi. In 10 years. Yung 20 years. Punta kayo ba? By then, kaya ko na kayo bilhin. Mayaman na. Joke lang yun. Sabi kasi i-treat ko. Lilipat ko daw kayo. Hanap tayong sponsor. No? Hindi. So, galing akong Thailand. Nag-1 week kami in Thailand. And then, nag-shoot ako yesterday and the day before for a commercial na lalabas. And then, tawag dito. So, nakikita ko kayo sa Instagrams, nakikita ko yung mga tweets ninyo. Thank you rin sa mga Christmas gifts nyo. Meron pang iba doon, hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Kasi biyahe talaga ako ng biyahe. But the Cookie Bergs, as you know, I'm so happy na kumpleto kayo. But, the representatives from the Cookie Bergs to the Fashionistas, to the Crispy Bergs, to the Global Kachuch, and sana in the years to come, lumaki pa ng lumaki or dumami yung group. So more than that, thank you since I was a teenager in college, yung Cookie Bergs, mga vloggers yan, sila yung mga laging may reply. Tapos kilala ko sila with their yung mga profile pics nila, yung mga si Kimmy? Nalala ko siya, green na mata, na parang night light. Yun. So parang, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, ano ba yun? Tapos pati si Kay, yan. And then, of course, I wanna thank you for being there from the start. It's really such a blessing. Tapos, of course, yung Fashionistas and the Crispy Bergs through an important time in my life have been there. And talagang yung mga trips ko sa US, yung mga concerts sa ibang mga bansa, sobrang strong ng presence ng mga Fashionistas and Crispy Bergs doon. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga times na sinuportahan ninyo ako. Dominant kasi doon yung mga Fashionistas at Crispy Bergs. So, you've made my trips to the States and our concert were so memorable. Kahit nandun ako, I would make time talaga to see everyone personally. So, thank you for making it so memorable. Sobrang best times of my life ko, yung mga moments na nagko-concert kami doon. Of course, that was such an important time in my life and hindi naman dapat magtapos doon just because there's a love team na medyo in real life medyo natapos na siya. But you know what? The friendship that we have will always be between us. So, I'm thankful to those representatives who are here. It's so nice to have you in my life talaga. It's a big part of my life that you've been a major part of, so I'll never forget that, and it will be special for a long time. Of course, to the Global Kachuchais. And I'm so happy everybody is here because New Year na ngayon. Ang pangit naman kung pareho yung issue, di ba? You know, you guys have been there, you're the newest group, but also, talagang they've shown na very strong din yung presence nila sa mga ginagawa ko last year, like in X Factor, every single Saturday and every single Sunday na we would go live. Lagi akong merong gifts, merong card, merong flowers, may kape, may mga tweets na nagsusupport, and that goes for everyone, that support that you've given me the whole year last year. It was such an important pick-up year for me. Personally, emotionally, financially, spiritually, politically, and everything. So you guys have really been there. The Global Kachuchas have been so present and so strong, and you know how eternally grateful I am that through the changes in my life, I didn't expect that there would be such a strong group that came for me, not for a love team, not for anything else, but you know, for me. So I thank you for being there. To everyone na naging group, you guys are so special. From the Cookie Bergs Fashionistas, to the Crispy Bergs, to the Global Kachuchas, I love you. Nagdala ako ng 4 na cake. One for each group. Pero this is our party. Really, naku, huwag na kayong mag-away, please. Guys, sobrang thank you for your support. Lalo, nung pinakita niyo yung support ninyo last year, nalaman ko kung sino yung tunay na fans. Dati talagang parang naiilang pa ako kasi hindi ako sure kung ako pa talaga yung love ninyo or yung idea lang. Siyempre, may gano'n lang ako, pero nalaman ko. And yun yung lowest time ko eh. At kung sino yung nandun yung lowest time ko, grabe, bawa ko. Super. Thank you talaga. Ano sabi mo? So last year. Ginawa namin sa personal yun. Diba? Lahat ng mga pa-contest, but thank you sa mga sumali doon. Hindi, but you know, pag nagtatapin, syempre, yung mga teleserye, yung mga ganyan, kung sino yung mga dumadating, kahit isa-isa lang kayo, as long as merong representative, that will represent talaga yung buong grupo ninyo. So, really, each one of you, kung sino man yung mga members ng alinmang group, ang laki ng contribution ninyo sa group ninyo, kahit one person lang, you really represent the group. Kahit makita lang ako ng isa, sinabi, dati, I'm a Crispy Berg, or I'm a Fashionista, or Cookie Berg ako, or Global Kachucha ako, I think of the whole group. So, don't take your participation for granted. Kasi, yun yung parang, kahit saan kami mapadpadan at makakita ako ng ganon, it really shows your support. Kahit na sinong artista yan, any fan club ng kahit sinong artista, talagang each member will represent the group. So, thank you for all of you for being here. I know parang last minute. So, may mga siguro members from around the world na were hoping to be here. Yung iba siguro lumipat, I don't know. Pero, thank you. And I may not know all of your names yet, but I promise as time goes by, syempre, mabibuild pa yung relationship and friendship natin. So, thank you for everything sa lahat ng mga success ko or sa lahat ng mga hindi naging masyadong success. That's life naman po, diba? So, thank you for being there. And I really am so happy every time yung magsabi sa akin na natulungan ko kayo or na-inspire ko kayo or nag-iba yung buhay ninyo because of something na nangyari sa akin or something na ginawa ko. And I hope that you know, I can only be a more positive inspiration in your lives. That's why I'm here. Hopefully, you know, the year ahead will be a great, great year for all of us. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you.